Welcome to my kitchen. Now me and Mama Taris. Today I say make we come cook broke manage soup, and I go say wetin be broke manage soup again. Mama Taris don't come. Broke manage soup na economy soup. Soup when we say meat not day but meat day. You know that kind of soup. Now this my auntie come. She say hungry they catch hungry they. I say I not get soup for house. I say because I know the money went in my hand. I not go fit. Then she say wetin happen? I say who catch me? She say wetin be who? I say na brokerage now. So the pocket you get as it be. Then she say okay. So wetin I get for house? Then I say I get dry fish. I get one small stock fish. She say soup done now. She say your husband like show boy. I say wetin be show boy? She say mama na. I say dey okay now. She say okay make she go market. Wetin you get? Now I give her one small change when not reach anywhere. When me sef if I go market I no fit buy. I no fit know wetin I go buy. Then I give her. She say she dey come. She say you know say on city people. On no sabi manage something make her go. I go buy everything come. Then I said, okay, go buy come and they wait out. She just says, soak your stock fish and the dry fish. When I come, we go start. Now I can't wait for her. As she come, she don't buy show boy, the pomo. She buy liver. She brings small onions with pepper and crayfish. I say, oh. She said, no worry, this soup go done. She don't put bitter leaf, everything together. I say, okay, make her they look how she go cook her. So now that broke manage soup I want teach her now. On her when not fit manage like me. Me self I learn her. So make her can learn how to manage on herself. When brokerage catch on her, say, meat not day today, this soup, I go cook am like this. So make on her come follow me, go my kitchen. Make we cook am now. This na my dry fish. I dey show now this na the only thing when I get for house. So dry fish. And my small stock fish when I get for house. She can't go. Now she buy the crayfish. Now she buy the pepper. Now she buy bitter leaf. She can't buy liver. I get palm oil for house. And then the show boy, the pomo. Then she come buy vegetable. Nothing she use. You see these onions. Now the only thing and salt. Then she take boil this liver. And now so she start the cooking. So make on account see how we dey do am. See just small, like one handful of liver. Now she buy you. One thing when she do when I see, you see this pomo. She not boil them together with the liver. And then I come ask her, say, why you not boil the pomo and the liver together? She said the pomo water not good to take cook soup. So I say, okay. I say I don't learn one thing again today be that. So boil your pomo separately. Make you not boil them together with your liver. This pomo, she don't boil and keep. So now only the liver now I go come cook with my onions and salt. So now the liver I don't put that for pot. I can't slice onions. I can't put salt to taste. I can't put 1 cup of water. I can't cover the pot so that the meat and the liver go cook for like, not say liver not they done for like 5 minutes. The liver go ready. Now the liver done well. It don't cook well. So I go come begin add all the ingredients there. You know say the stock fish before she go, she don't tell me to boil and keep. So my stock fish don't dey ready. My stock fish, my dry fish, now they put inside. So I don't put my dry fish, my stock fish, the pomo self don't cook. So now in this. This na my palm oil. Palm oil you add them as you want to. Me na just small palm oil that they use small. Because that day she not even put plenty palm oil because she not be no say I get palm oil itself for house. So now in this I can't put palm oil. This na the crayfish. One full hand of crayfish now be this. But if you add more depending on the taste you they want. Because for me, I feel say as you dey cook, make you dey taste the food or not say you won't do measurement. Yes, it's good to do measurement, but taste the food, make you see wetin you dey cook first. Taste them. When you don't show up the taste, then you fit tell yourself, okay, if I want cook them again, Now 3 spoons of crayfish have been added, or now one handful now I put inside here. So now I use. As she cook and now they look, because village woman they not get measurements. It's sweet well. Pepper to put them as you like. Oh, if you be pepperless, put small. Me I not be pepperless. Me I like pepper, so I put some pepper, maybe like one spoon. Then make you add. I will come add another 1 cup of water again, so that it go take cook well. You know, say na broke manage soup with the cook. Oh. You see, I'm broke manage when don't come turn. If na me now, I go find all the other things when I need to take cook soup. If never the soup not complete, she na dey see am. Nothing she put inside though. Now this, the pomo, the liver, and the small dry fish when I get for house and stock fish. Now we dey take cook this soup now. So I go add another cup of water. So I go cover them, so that all the meat and everything go boil together. So you see as I do them. I don't put everything now. I will cover them again, make it boil for another 5 minutes. When it don't boil out, I will come add my bitter leaf and all the other things. So now I won't add the bitter leaf. She don't wash and come already. So now the wash bitter leaf be this. As you want the bitter leaf, now make you put them on. If you want plenty bitter leaf, you put plenty. If you want small bitter leaf, you put small. But me now, as I see say the soup don't they take another level. Now I tell her say make she put plenty bitter leaf. So now my bitter leaf this. I don't wash them. So now I don't put them inside. So I don't wash all the bitter komoto because I not been want make the bitter leaf too taste inside, make it taste bitter for the soup. So this bitter leaf now just to help give the soup body. As nothing there to take cook out now. So now in this so when the bitter leaf boils small now, I go come add my other vegetable, the spinach. The soup don't boil again for like another 5 minutes. So it depends on this thing. So the vegetable, you know, say spinach not dey too hard. If na ugu I use now, I go say make it dey for fire small. But as na spinach I use, as I pour am, I turn am. Now the steam I go leave make it cook the rest. I go off the fire. So now him I go pour now. So now in this, so my broke manage soup done ready. So I don't off the fire. Now the steam for the pot. Now I take soften the vegetable. So you see, my broke manage soup done ready. Who go believe say na broke manage soup say na some small rascal things now I put inside. Now in this, so my soup done ready. When my husband come now, see this one now, he go say, I'm matter is every say you know they go market today. Wetin happen? Where you see soup bring out, you know no say na broke manage when I don't manage the thing, can't take and turn am to one whole pot. This soup as I dey dish am, and I fit take and swallow fufu, and I fit take and swallow eba, and I fit take and swallow amala. All na it depends on our choice. So anything when una like. Some people they even take and eat rice. So next time when una want cook soup, make una not crack on her head plenty. Just use my style. Go buy small liver, small show boy, pomo. If you get dry fish, if you not get dry fish, if na shower, any small fish, just mix them with the crayfish, put oil, taste them. Oh, not say Mama Taris measure and 3 spoons. Taste your food as you dey cook. They taste them. So as I don't cook and finish now, if you not remember some things or not understand, call me. Oh, make we talk them again. But not forget make una like the video, make una share my video, and make una subscribe to my channel. Na me Mama Taris dey greet. Una welcome.